Zhongshan Changqing project. The total installed power is 300 kW. The installations were carried out on 4 workshops respectively by Namkoo Power. Guangdong Namkoo Power Co Limited, headquartered in Foshan, is a leading comprehensive clean energy service provider in China. Committed to providing high-quality solar power plant, energy stock systems, solar street light, and other clean energy application products. Customize professional technical solutions for each user. Provide full range of product insurance so that users can enjoy high-quality service in a long-term and safe manner. In the future, Namkoo Power will continue to adhere to the concept of what Namkoo produce must be a high-quality product. Relying on technological advantage, innovation advantage, brand advantage, and talent advantage. Strive to contribute to the development of global clean energy, the improvement of people's quality of life, and the construction of blue sky. Greater contribution.